So Barnstormers was a fail. We were gonna go over, if it was a short line, hop on it. Yeah, that seemed like a pretty long line for a 10-second coaster. So I think it's time that we just hop on Space. We have a fast pass. Oh, that's pretty much what it is. It's just kind of go right turn, little drop, up, right, left, and you're done. But I think we're gonna hit our fast pass for Space Mountain. And then we might catch up with you on either the Carousel of Progress. Oh, she loves interrupting, just so you know. If you haven't figured that out, she's constantly just wants to interrupt. But we'll maybe catch up with you on Carousel of Progress, or maybe the Laugh Floor. We haven't done it yet, and I have a joke. I'm dying to. Squirrel! Literally, a squirrel just ran by. So Carousel, Laugh Floor, and maybe we'll get in line and meet Stitch again. So I somewhat lied. We are on top of the Astro Orbiter because Ashley got up the courage to conquer her fear of heights and hop aboard this. I can't believe she's doing this. Let's see if I can control this with my foot. Here we go, up, up, and away. Up, up, and away. Oh, so high, but so pretty. Let's see if I can balance this out. Whee! Okay. This is pretty high. I think. Ash, how you doing? I don't believe that. Thumbs up. So really quickly, while we head to the said Peoplemover, did you survive the Astro Orbiter? She hated it. I could tell in front of me, she absolutely hated it. And I think eventually we're gonna make it to space, but there's no way we were passing up. Walk on to the Peoplemover.
While visiting Disneyland. Peoplemover is confiscated for people watching. So you never know who you might see. Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Your rule, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
Here on the Peoplemover, what is your favorite Space Mountain? Do you like Walt Disney Worlds or do you like Disneyland's more? A lot of people say they like Disneyland's because of the two seats. I like this one because, maybe because I'm bigger, but the single seat feels kind of like a snug fit. Plus, this one has a lot more drops. Ash, you like this one. I like this one more. So what is your favorite Space Mountain? Disneyland's or the original Space here in Magic Kingdom?
This time it's laughter they're after at Monsters Incorporated. So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Laughable.
That'll be your new social experiment.
We're on Autopia. Oh, wait, no. We're on Tomorrowland Speedway. We've never been on this. We didn't ride this last time. I can already tell I like Autopia a lot better.
Well, it's a speedway. We gotta go. We gotta race.
Well, I know. It's a giant race. One big thing we've noticed is their cars are definitely a lot louder than Autopia. And I understand why people complain about the smell more here. It does seem to smell a lot more than Autopia's does. I don't know why that is, because they're pretty much the same cars. But I feel like they haven't put any money into the Tomorrowland Speedway, where Autopia gets refurbished every year or every couple of years. And as you can see, we have a crazy driver up ahead. We also tried to ride this the other night during the party, and all of these cubes over here, all of these balls over here,
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
they all light up at night.
But that's what they.
Yeah, that's true. They does play Christmas music, but they all light up, but the line was just too long of the day. So just use your imagination and that they are,
Look, that one's blue.
they're all light up.
Green.
Yellow. Look at Tron. It's coming. It's coming along.
I'm a bad driver.
Oh, I'm just glad the person in front of us finally hit the gas pedal. Oh, jingle bells, Batman smells, ramen lightning. I don't know the rest of those song lyrics, but there goes the Peoplemover.
Oh, Jesus.
Now the bummer about all the Tron with the Tron construction
67
is they lost a lot of the track for this attraction. So it's going to be really short, and I wonder if we'll be able to tell where they kind of cut it off.
Over there.
Was it over there where we just were?
Yeah, because now we're going to come up and turn and come in.
Oh wow, that is really, really short. Well, that's a bummer. But at least we can finally say we rode this and we're happy. And we sang
a lot more accuracy, look.
Yeah. It's kind of more realistic with the car. You don't have to constantly like correct. But, well, we sang a little song. We sang a little...
You gotta turn left to go right, though.
You have to turn left to go right? Is the alignment that bad?
Yeah,
all right, so where are we headed next? I think we're going to go eat.
yeah,
started heading.
Bills.
We're going to head to Pico's Bills. Can we just take this car over? 'Cause I don't want to walk.
Okay.
Like, you can see where...
Go.
Oh, no! All right.
Oh, caution.
Oh, caution. Okay, I better slow down. It's weird not having somebody tell me, like, which lane to go in. I'll just keep going.
Which lane? You mean where to stop?
You know what I meant. Well, that was a fun little spin on the Tomorrowland Speedway. But we do, in fact, love Autopia a lot more. But the coolest part about the Tomorrowland Speedway is that they have a viewing section. They have a little bleacher section where if you're a mom, a dad, someone who, parent, guardian, whatever, and you don't want to ride, there's grandstands, just like at a NASCAR race, where you can sit and watch everybody go around the track. Especially now that it's shorter, you can almost follow them the entire length of the ride. I think that was really neat. No. That we're gonna save that one for a whole nother video down the line. We have some breaking news, but we gotta wait for that one. We gotta wait for it till it becomes more official. So we're headed to eat. We're headed to Frontierland.
So remember that.
Oh, we got people. We're headed to Frontierland for Pico's Bills. I think I might even get some nachos today. I'm feeling some nachos. Nachos.
What did you
Not
say?
those. Not those. I said not those. I want some nachos.
Nacho cheese.
Because, like I said, that toppings bar, whew, best quick service in possibly the whole resort.
They have guacamole.
They might.